Okay, first BHMS degree examination, homeopathic pharmacy, write an essay on any one of the following. Okay. Define pharmacy, describe the utensil used in homeopathic laboratory. Okay. So you have to just give the definition of pharmacy. Okay. That is pharmacy or homeopathic pharmacy. Then you have to give like components, okay, because it is long question. So components, 1 2 line you can write like there is correction is there, preparation is there, preservation is there, digestion is there, okay, all these things. Okay, just you can give a little explanation. Okay, then after that you have to write the different instruments. Okay, so related especially means which are used more. Okay, that type of instruments, like don't forget to write about the mortar and pestle. Okay, because okay, without this you cannot means like think of trituration process. Okay, so all these things don't forget. Okay, which are very much important in your laboratory. Okay, homeopathic pharmacy laboratory. Okay, so any doubt in this question? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
next is define potency, describe the proper preparation of constitutional potency, centesimal potency, not constitutional, centesimal potency. Okay, so already you know. Okay, key means like you have to just explain, okay, in much about the these constitutional things or constitution. Okay, then next is write brief answer on any two of the following. Okay, advantages of animal proving. Okay, already we have discussed what is the advantage. Okay, that most important advantage is we can go to any level of pathological changes. Okay, then process of percolation. Okay, external application. Okay, short notes any 5, drench. Okay, then filtration, then 50 millisiemel scale. Okay, then next page. Okay, alcohol, remedy, decantation, olfaction, sublimation, best prover, okay, manstrum and tautopathy. Okay, already we have discussed tautopathy from the chemical or the chemical sources. We are potentizing the chemicals or allopathic medicines. Okay, that is called as a tautopathy. Okay. Then next section B is define vehicles, name some vehicle. Okay, external applications. Then uh, knowledge of pharmacy helps in to increase the knowledge of materia medica. Okay, already we have just came across this type of question. Okay, 2 to 3 times before. Okay, write brief answer on any two. Okay, that is the succussion and trituration. Okay, then define preparation, write modes of prescription. Okay, define prescription, write modes of prescription. Okay, you can write. Then conversion potency and its merits. Okay, conversion means just we can convert it into liquid form. Okay, and liquid form we can just keep, okay, very easily. So that is its merit. Write short notes on any 5. Okay, like distillation, distilled water. Okay, imponderabilia, rectified spirit. Okay, now is next question paper is uh, question number 1, describe any one of the following. Okay, uh, homeopathic pharmacy in relation to our national economy. Okay, so when we were studying, I told you ki in national economy you can write anything which is related with current scenario also. Okay, like any current thing is there. Okay, any budget is there, that also you can write related with homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, then what is a base, what are the bases used in homeopathy, explain, brief about them. Okay, so you have to just explain the basis. Okay, next is describe brief any two of the following. Okay, just to Bases are, I told you that are semi-solid vehicles. Okay, you can use Vaseline, BWAX. Okay, all these things. Any of that you just explain one of them. Okay, and like suppose these two questions are there. Okay, try to write like try to answer if you are knowing properly both the answer. Okay, try to answer question number one. Okay, reason is like what is base you can write. What are the bases used in homeopathic pharmacy? Okay, you can write. Okay, explain brief about them. Okay, now you will write five bases, you have to explain each of them. Fine. Okay, but the time permits, just you explain two or three. Okay, but like question number one is not like this. Okay, you can just write relation of national economy. Okay, there is no confusion. Okay, if you know properly both the answer, it is better to attempt like question number A. Okay, because there is no confusion, and because of this last part, explain briefly about them. Okay, it become too much lengthy. Okay, we have like no limit. Okay, then describe brief any two of the following. So, source and preparation of saccharum lactus. Okay, the preparation of saccharum lactus you have to do. Okay, what are the precautions to be observed in preservation of drug? Okay, so you have to write only about the drug. Okay, means how will you preserve the drug, that only you have to write. Okay, then next is the describe the modern methods of preparation of mother tincture. Okay, that is the percolation and maceration you have to write. Okay, mostly you have seen many of the questions are just repeated. Okay, repetition of questions are there. Okay, so that's why at least what came in question paper. Okay, don't leave this type of question. Okay, means at least prepare for them. Okay, it will be means like bonus for you ki, mostly this type of question may be repeated. Okay, then denatured alcohol. Okay, then chopping board. Okay, you can write distilled water. Okay, presses. Okay, then pharmaconomy. Okay, then lethal dose. Okay, then decimal scale. Okay, then next is the section B. Okay, section B we will see describe any one of the following. Okay, write about preparations, principles. Okay, components of mode of writing of and validity. Okay, means your writing, prescription writing, how you will be properly write a prescription, that you have to explain. Okay, about the prescription writing you have to explain. Okay, then define the pharmacopoeia and mention the name of the six pharmacopoeia. Discuss the necessity of pharmacopoeia. Okay, here they have clarified. Okay, they have clarified ki pharmacopoeia, there is six pharmacopoeia you have to explain. Okay, so that you have to do. Okay, means already question is clear. Okay, then the write brief on any two of the following. Okay, 50 millisimal scale potency. Okay, cleaning of utensil. Okay, then homeopathic laboratory. Then write short note on any five. Okay, dynamic power. Okay, vacuum drying. Okay, vacuum drying, do you know what is vacuum drying? Have you come across distillator? Dist- Distillator or desiccator? Okay, desiccator, this is vacuum drying is a desiccator. Okay, then placebo. Okay, then glycerides. Okay, then sarcodes, then herbarium, then olive oil. Okay, so this much is there. Okay, so that you can write till here. Any doubt, anything you are not knowing, or anything you feel you cannot get in your book?
सिक्स फार्माकोपियास में क्या क्या नाम मेंशन करेंगे?
फार्मेकोपिया में नॉर्मली ऑफिशियल फार्मेकोपिया का ही नाम लिखना है. ठीक है, होम्योपैथिक फार्मेकोपिया ऑफ इंडिया, जर्मन होम्योपैथिक फार्मेकोपिया, ब्रिटिश होम्योपैथिक फार्मेकोपिया. Okay, then pharmacopoeia of United States. Okay, then French homeopathic pharmacopoeia. Okay, then now 5 to you know. Okay, now 6 what you can write, because now you have to go to unofficial pharmacopoeia. You understood?
Yes.
Okay, so you can write like Mexican homeopathic pharmacopoeia. Okay, so these things. Okay, total we have homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India. Okay, then British homeopathic pharmacopoeia of United States. Okay, then we have German homeopathic pharmacopoeia, we have French homeopathic pharmacopoeia. Okay, then you can write like Mexican homeopathic pharmacopoeia. Okay, because I think Mexico they have started doing it like a official. Okay, they are in process of doing official, so it is more near to official pharmacopoeia. Okay, just some days before, like Mexican government, they have some means some article where they are related with this. Okay, so you can go for that. Okay,
Yes.
anything else और कुछ पूछना है इसमें? Okay, so this question paper is also completed. Okay, means like 14 pages were there. Okay, so we can now go for next paper. First we have to stop sharing. Okay, is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have other question paper. Okay, then homeopathic pharmacy 3 hours. Okay, 2 hours 40 minutes 80 marks. Okay, okay, means like this university has given 80 marks. I think they have same process like us. Okay, okay, homeopathic pharmacy 3 hours 100 marks. Okay, page number 1 na? Discuss the importance of collecting the original drug for proving. What is homeopathic drug proving? Prepare a good scheme of posology for drug proving. Very lengthy question. Okay. Discuss the importance of collecting the original drug for proving. Okay. Means when you are collecting a drug for proving, okay, you have to just see about its quality, standardization. Already that is in our book, okay, that you have to follow, okay, you have to know about that, okay. Means you have to write about the preparation and quality of drug before, okay. Then what is homeopathic drug proving, you have to write the definition, okay, and just process. Then describe a good scheme of posology for drug proving, okay. So what dose should be there, okay. So just do about dose also, like previously Dr. Henneman was doing proving on the crude drugs. Then after that it was felt sometimes issue was there related with the pathological changes, okay. Then drugs were proved in very low potency physiological dose. Then later on they have just slightly increased the potency, okay. So this history part you have to mention there, okay, about the posology, okay. Previously when you feel like your drug what you are proving, okay, that is totally safe in crude form, then you can go for a crude proving. But mostly crude proving is not there nowadays, okay. Now there is a very low potencies were proved, okay. So be clear about this, okay. Already this is in our book, okay. Already we have studied about this also, okay. Next is the B. What do you understand by the term vehicles? In homeopathic pharmacy, already you know. What would be the ideal vehicle? What, okay, what ideal vehicles should be neutral, they will not react with anything. Okay, what are the different forms of vehicle in homeopathic pharmacy? Okay, solid, semi-solid, and liquid. Okay, when you are in exam, okay, exam center, or when you have a question paper, okay, never get, okay, like just means never lose balance of your mind when questions are lengthy, okay. Sometimes it happens questions are of 3-4 lines and answer is very simple, okay. So just, I think you have already experienced in NEET or in competitive exam. Sometimes it happens 5-line question, okay, and answer is very simple, okay. Normally it happens in objective. This type of question also you will come across in, you will give exam of MD entrance exam, or you will give a exam for medical officer or any other competitive exam by government or like any private agency, okay. So like sometimes it happens. So just question is lengthy or 4-5 lines, okay, don't means like leave it, okay. Sometimes it happens questions are lengthy but answer is very simple, okay. And some very much important thing is don't panic, okay. When you will panic, when you will see the question paper, you will panic, you will just lose your, okay, like balance of mind, okay. And that is very much important in exam, okay. Okay, understood na? Hello. Roll number
Yes, sir.
30, roll number 13. Hello. Okay. Then, okay, this much is okay. Page number 1, these 2 questions. Okay, page number 2. Describe the modern method of preparation of homeopathic mother tincture from vegetable sources. Indicate their superiority over the mother tincture produced by old methods. Now it is slightly problematic. Describe the modern method of preparation of homeopathic mother tincture from vegetable sources, okay. So just don't go from vegetable sources, okay, because vegetable sources word is only and only for confusion, because in modern method, okay, when you are preparing, okay, so there is no such classifications, okay. There is no 9 classification in modern method, okay. So here the vegetable kingdom is just to confuse you, okay. Like you will think something else, okay. Because modern method anything, okay, just you have to clarify it ki you will do by percolation or you will do by maceration according to the tissue structure of that particular material. Okay. Then indicate the superiority over the mother tincture produced by older method. Okay. So what is the superiority of modern method preparation of mother tincture from the older method? What is the superiority? Till now we have studied about the difference. What are the differences? But what is the superiority? How means as according to the person who has given question paper. Okay. Indicate the superiority of the mother tincture produced by older method. The homeopathic mother tincture from vegetables indicate their superiority means modern method superiority over the mother tincture prepared by old method. So what is the superiority of new method after the old method? Okay, always you know new things come when pupils are not adjusted with old things. Okay. Instead of landline phones, now we have mobiles. Okay, there is no wire. Okay, because we are more comfortable with this wireless instrument. Okay, than the landline. Okay, so like that. Okay, old method. Why? What is the superiority of new method over the old method? Why we have adopted new method very easily instead of this old method or the Dr. Hahnemannian method? What is the reason? What is the superiority? Hello,
The time required.
time. Time is to not so much. Why? What are the reasons by the European Committee of Homeopathy to bring new method of preparation? That is the answer. What are the reasons to bring new
The lack
method?
of uniformity in drug strength.
Okay, one thing. And anything else? So here you have to write like a history, okay? Okay, in old method of preparation of, okay, there is 9 classes, okay, 9 classes, okay, the drug strength of different drug is different and they are, okay, just they are classified according to the quality of medicine or the juice content of the medicine, okay? Then it was very confusing. That's why European Committee of Homeopathy, they brought the new method of preparation where the drug strengths are uniform, okay? So like that you have to write, okay? And just go through that part, okay? When new method, the introduction part, okay? That is the answer of this, okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is the what are the different vehicles used in homeopathic medicines? Okay, describe briefly each of them. Again, very long question. Okay, like, but you have to just write a little about solid, semi-solid, and liquid. Okay, solid, semi-solid, and liquid. Okay, all the vehicles. Then question number 2. Describe brief any two of the following. Okay, why, how and when moisture contents are measured. Okay, this is a practical, already we have discussed in new method of preparation of drug. Okay, this question came means like till now we have discussed. I think this is new question. Normally I was expecting this type of question in the practical when we will be performing practical. Okay, but in theory also it came. Why, how and when moisture contents are measured. Okay, this is just like, okay, this type of question you note which come first time. Okay, because it happens next time also this may come. Okay, what is the drug dynamization? What are the scales of potencies used in homeopathy? Okay, two questions. You have to write about the potentization, you have to write about the scales. Okay, C. Clarify drug according to their sources. Classify drug according to their sources. Okay. Mention 2 example for each of their parts used to prepare drug. Okay. classify drug according to the sources. Okay, means plant kingdom, animal kingdom, mineral kingdom, nosode, sarcode, imponderabilia. Okay, all these things you have to write. Now, second part is slightly difficult. Okay, two example of each and their parts used to prepare the drug. Example also use you can write, but parts used to prepare. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, so means like suppose for each, at least I told you also 2 to 3 drugs. Okay, maximum 5 drugs you have to remember in each class. Okay, and their parts used. Okay, that is important. Okay. Next is the write short notes on any 5 of the following. Okay, you have to write short note on any 5 of the following. Okay, any 5. Weight and measurement used in homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, that you have to write already. This is revised. Sacrum lactis. Okay, that you have to write. Meaning of the following. New question. Okay, meaning of the following. What is the meaning of C dot V dot? C dot small V dot. Do you remember? C dot N dot. H dot S dot. O dot M dot. Okay. Now in your book tick these things 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I will leave this question paper. Okay. Already in your that group. Okay. But remember this. Okay. So like that. Okay. Question comes like that. Okay. So we all so much. Okay. So much means short forms are there. Okay. It is even not possible to remember everything. Okay. That totally depends upon the, it is called as your luck. Okay, suppose you know all question, all the 4 came and you know, okay, that is good for you. Okay, so like just when you will practice, okay, you will practice with these type of things. Okay, you will do, means you will do these questions. Okay, then many glass methods. Okay, what is many glass method? Is it multiple vial method? Have you heard about many glass method? विशाल,
सर
सुना है मिनी क्लास मेथड, पढ़ा है बुक में?
सर मल्टीपल फाइल वाला ही होगा सर।
हो सकता है, लेकिन वो एग्जाम हॉल में अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए तो ऐसा दिमाग तुम लोगों को लगाना है ना? ओके, यू हैव टू यूज योर कॉमन सेंस. ओके, means still I am not knowing. Okay, just I am thinking many glass method means it is multiple vial method. Understood? Single vial method, multiple vial method. Okay, and still you will get anything. Okay, just let me know. Okay, I will also search. Okay, but for this question is first time for me. Okay, because I came across, because this time only I am doing like this ki we are discussing question paper. Okay, previously it was like that ki in August, okay, before August, July, okay, every student go from classes, they are preparing for themselves. Okay, until June last or July we complete syllabus. Okay, so there was no discussion of question papers. Okay, still I had many question paper, but we don't, means just we discuss 5-10 question paper, and it was like a model. Okay, ki, this type of question comes. Okay, but we have not discussed all the questions. Okay, so now is this time we have time. Okay, so that's why we are discussing. Okay, so many glass method, that may be multiple vial method, or you just go through the like Google or you any book. Okay, you have. Okay, and if like this, just let me know. Okay, next is the 50 millisievert scale. Okay, vacuum drying. Okay, already again vacuum drying is that desiccator. Okay, then sieves. Okay, like if question paper is, this question paper is from South India. Okay, so if like any university can send anywhere all over India to for setting up question paper. Okay, remember it. Okay, it is not like that ki you are in Goa, you are in Shillong, so you'll only get question paper from Guwahati or Kolkata, okay? All over India, okay? Anywhere question paper may come, okay? So that's why, which you feel, okay, just go through book or, okay, and we can discuss if you have any doubt, okay? Next section B is the standardization of homeopathic drugs, okay? Again, revision many times it is repeated. Then give a brief account of legislation in relation of homeopathic pharmacy, okay? So that we can discuss, means like we can do already, we have discussed this. Next is this part. Okay, question number 5. Write on any two of the following: homeopathic pharmacy in relation to our national economy. Again, revision, okay? Fluxion potency you can write, prescription writing you can write. Write short note in any of the 5, okay? Class 3 preparations, okay? Class 3 aqua distilla, okay, means distilled water you can write. Alkaloids, okay, one type of active principle of the plants. Water bath you can write. Lethal dose you can write. Drug proving, okay, then methylated spirit, okay, that methylated spirit is poisonous, remember it, okay, methyl alcohol, okay. Then okay, next is the page number 4, okay, so that we will see next time, okay. Till here any query? Till page number 4 you have any query? Means till page number 3?
No.